Are you a data scientist? Looking forward to working with a great data team remotely from anywhere in the world? Hey everyone, this is Dee and you're welcome to Home Hustle by Dee. The vast majority of human knowledge is still on the internet. Most of it is trapped in the form of experience in people's heads or buried in books and papers that only experts can access. In this video, I'll be talking about a job vacancy at Quora, and that job vacancy is one of a staff data scientist. The data team is highly empowered at Quora, helping navigate complexity and influencing product and company strategy directly. As a data scientist, you work closely with product managers, product designers, and engineers to devise appropriate measurements and metrics, design randomized, controlled experiments, build visualizations, and tackle hard open-ended problems that uncover usage patterns and opportunities for the company. As a senior data scientist, you will draw on your experience to excel not only in your own work, but also to elevate data's impact at a company-wide level. Your responsibilities as a data scientist will be to extract actionable insights from broad open-ended questions, design and evaluate experiments to measure the impact of product changes, and the list goes on. I'll leave a link to the website in the description box below this video so you can check out the responsibilities required of you. The minimum qualifications for this job are the ability to be available for meetings and impromptu communication during Quora's coordination hours, at least 5 years work experience in an analytical or quantitative role as a data scientist or similar title, at least 3 years experience working on product analytics, and the list goes on. You can check that out in the link in the description box below. The preferred qualifications are experience working with large data sets and distributed computing tools, for example, Redshift and Presto, experience pushing code and navigating a complex code base, and you should be an active Quora user with curiosity about the product. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with someone you know who may be in need of a data scientist job position. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy home hustling by Dee. Bye bye.